Introduction to Billcom API Integration Guide. Billcom is a popular online platform for managing business payments and invoices. Integrating Billcom with other applications can streamline financial operations and improve productivity. This tutorial will guide you through the process of filtering the Billcom API integration. Step 1. Understanding the Billcom API. The Billcom API is a set of programming interfaces that allow developers to access and manipulate Billcom data. To filter the API integration, you need to understand the available endpoints and the data they return. Familiarize yourself with the Billcom API documentation to learn about the different endpoints and parameters. Step 2. Setting up API keys and authentication. To access the Billcom API, you need to set up API keys and authentication. Log into your Billcom account and navigate to the API settings page. Generate a new API key and secret key and note them down for future use. You will use these keys to authenticate your API requests. Step 3. Choosing the right endpoints. The Billcom API provides multiple endpoints for retrieving and manipulating data. Choose the endpoints that are relevant to your use case. For example, if you want to retrieve a list of invoices, you can use the Get Invoices endpoint. If you want to create a new invoice, you can use the Create Invoice endpoint. Step 4. Filtering API requests. To filter the API integration, you need to specify the parameters and filters in your API requests. For example, if you want to retrieve a list of invoices for a specific vendor, you can use the vendor_id parameter. If you want to retrieve a list of invoices for a specific date range, you can use the date_start and date_end parameters. Step 5. Handling API responses. After sending an API request, the Billcom API will return a response in JSON format. Parse the response to extract the relevant data and handle any errors that may occur. Use the data to perform further actions or store it in your database for future reference. Best practices for filtering Billcom API integration. Use the correct API endpoints and parameters to retrieve the relevant data. Handle errors and exceptions properly to avoid disrupting your application. Use authentication and authorization to secure your API requests. Test your API integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Use logging and debugging tools to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Conclusion. Filtering the Billcom API integration can help you retrieve the relevant data and improve the performance of your application. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the best practices, you can ensure a seamless and efficient integration with the Billcom API. With the right approach, you can unlock the full potential of the Billcom platform and streamline your financial operations.